Hi everyone, we are going to do example 22. Now in example 22, you are given a function y equal to 2x minus 1 bracket and then square root with 4x plus 1. And we are going to show that the dy dx, we are going to have this function. Okay, so we write down the function and I put here power half. This is a product function. So I'm going to use product rule. I'm going to take the first function and I'm going to differentiate the second function. And half minus 1 will be negative half, and there's a chain of 4, okay, and minus plus 4x plus 1 power half, okay, and differentiate of 2x minus 1 will give us 2. So when we simplify, we're going to have 2x minus 1, and this is going to be 4x plus 1 power negative half plus 2 again, 4x plus 1 power half. Remember, when we going to factorize, we're going to factorize the lower power. So we have 4x plus 1 power negative half. So we're going to have 2x minus 1 here. And then 2 is taken out. And then here will be 4x plus 1. Okay, we take out negative half. So this is going to be for 1, am I right? Okay, so this, when we simplify, we're going to have 4x plus 1 power negative half. This 2x plus 4x going to have 6x. Minus 1 plus 1 will disappear, and we can rewrite this to be 12x over the square root of 4x plus 1. Hence we have shown part 1. Now for part 2, right, it is hence, this is a definite integral. So in part 2, right, if I were to differentiate 12x, so if I were to integrate 12x over 4x plus 1, hence, right, I will get back this function. Correct? That's the idea. When we have this function, we differentiate, we got this. So we integrate this, we're going to get back the function y. But here is 6x. So in other words, you must half both sides. Okay? Therefore, 6x, integration of 6x over 4x plus 1. Okay? In other words, this must be true. Okay? And the definite integral is from 0 to 2. So here we are going to evaluate from 0 to 2. Okay, so when we evaluate this, right, this is going to be evaluated at 2, this is going to be evaluated at 0. Okay, so when we substitute 2 here, this is 4 minus 1, this is 3 square root. This is going to be 9, and this is going to be 2. Here we are going to have 0, right? So minus 1, okay, and square root 1 over 2. So we are going to have 3 times 3, 9. This is 4.5, okay, and this is minus 0.5. So we are going to get, okay, we are going to get 5. This is how we do. Okay, now for example 22, so example 23, okay, we need to differentiate this first. Okay, so ddx x e power 2x, again it's a product function. We take the first function, we differentiate, this will be 2e 2x, and we take the second function, e to x, we differentiate x, going to have 1, so we're going to have 2x e power 2x plus e to x. Again, part 2 is a hence. Okay, so what you need to do is that we use the same idea that integration is the reverse of the differentiation. So when we integrate this, with respect to x, we are going to have this function. Okay, and then we're going to break up this left hand side. It's going to be x e to x dx. This is e to x, am I right? Dx x e to x. Okay, this is a definite integral, so they don't have a c there. Okay, we're just going to do this. Rewrite this to be this. Okay, now, so if this is evaluated from 0 to 1, we can rewrite this to be 0 to 1, and here also from 0 to 1. Okay, but please take note this is 2 times. Okay, because your question is only 1. Okay, then mine is okay. So this one, let's say we don't evaluate first. Okay, this one will be half, right? E power 2x. So evaluated from 0 to 1. Okay, we do slowly, yeah. So we take this one first. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, this one will be 1 e power 2 minus 0, right? So this will be 0. Okay, minus, this is half. This is evaluated at 1 first. Okay, so e power 1. Okay, sorry, e, there's a 2 here. Okay, minus half e power 0. Okay, we are going to have e power 2 minus, okay, this one, right? This is half e power 2 minus half. Okay, so this will be minus half, right? Will be half e power 2 plus half. But this is 2 times, am I right? So this is what we want, 0 to 1, x product with e to x dx. So this will be half, am I right, of half e2 plus half, which will give us 1/4 e power 2 plus 1. This is what we show. Okay? Okay, thank you very much.